So Marta Lou, do you have any special suggestion for the students?
Oh dear. Well, the most important thing is to love what you're doing. If you don't like what you're doing, your life isn't worth doing it, I think. And geology is such a thing that you never have to quit as a geologist. You can be a part of the earth your whole life and help. And there's so many volunteer jobs that geologists can do. The K through 12 classes need volunteers all the time. And like the Houston Geological Society has an academic committee where people can go out and talk to the students and get them enthused about being a geologist and not tell them about the ups and downs of that sine wave.